In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dropbox to Excel. By the end, you will be opening and saving spreadsheets directly in Dropbox from inside Excel. First, install and sign in to the Dropbox desktop app. If you already use Dropbox on this computer, you can skip reinstalling and just confirm you are signed in. On Windows, you know you are signed in when you see the Dropbox icon in the system tray and it shows your available space instead of a sign-in button. Once Dropbox is installed and running, open Dropbox and click your profile icon. This icon is usually at the top right of the Dropbox window. When you click it, a small menu opens with your account picture or initials, plus several options. From that profile menu, select Preferences. This opens the Dropbox Preferences window in the middle of your screen. You will see several tabs along the top, such as General and maybe Sync or Account, depending on your version. Under the General tab, find the Microsoft Office integration option. Take a second to scan the list. It is usually in the middle section. This option controls whether Dropbox talks directly to Office programs, including Excel, so they can see Dropbox as a place to open and save files. Now turn on Show Dropbox as a save location in Microsoft Office. You may see this as a checkbox. Once you tick it, the change applies right away. There is no separate save button. If you look carefully, the text under or near the option may update or brighten slightly to show it is active. Next, open Microsoft Excel. You can launch it from the Start menu or a shortcut on your taskbar. When Excel opens, you will be on the Start screen with options for a blank workbook or templates down the center and a sidebar with a File button at the top. From here, go to File, then Open, or File, then Save As. Clicking File slides you into the Backstage view with a list on the left. Open shows places where you can browse for existing spreadsheets, while Save As lets you pick where a new or renamed workbook will live. In this list of locations, Dropbox should now appear as a location you can select. If you do not see it immediately, scroll the Places list on the left. You might see Dropbox with your account name. When it is there, Excel recognizes Dropbox as a connected storage place. Finally, choose your Dropbox folder and open or save your Excel workbook. When you click Dropbox, you can browse into any subfolder, just like a normal drive. Open will load the selected file into Excel, and Save As will create a new file in that Dropbox folder, which then syncs to your other devices. At this point, remember that Dropbox currently requires the Dropbox desktop app version 29 or later, and Microsoft Office 365 for this integration. If either is older, the Dropbox location might not appear until you update them. You have now linked Dropbox to Excel, so you can open and save workbooks straight to your Dropbox folders. If this helped you connect Excel to Dropbox, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more clear how-to guides like this.